As long as it involves language processing, you can get AI to do that part for you. And so, an example, an easy, common example that I like to show customers is if you have sales calls via Zoom and you're recording that call, which usually it's automatic if you've configured your Zoom properly, you can take that video file and then feed it to to your AI assistant API, and
Hmm.
it will generate a transcript. And then it'll summarize that transcript and make keynotes that are associated with that customer that you were speaking to in the video. Um, this transcript, the notes can be extracted from it and then automatically fed to your CRM to update that contact's info. And then later, AI can take that data from your CRM and then import it to something like MailChimp, and use that to create some type of tailored email that mentions something they talked about during that sales call that went well, like that their kid is graduating this school and they're going into this thing and their wife has this hobby. And this person's like, wow, they really remembered all these details about our conversation. It can even be enriched by having AI look at that person's social media accounts. And so you
What?
have this, yes. So you have this hyper personalized email that they've gotten from you. And then after the project is complete, the AI is actually sending all that data that's been aggregated to a program that will write them a handwritten letter, a thank you card, a postcard. They have these automated services that actually have a machine with a pen that simulates handwriting. And you can do this at scale, and it sends this thank you card to these customers, and it's hyper personalized. And then, of course, it follows up and asks them for a Google review. So that's like a very simple, low difficulty, high ROI type of automation that you can implement by using AI. And that's what I've represented with this little like flow chart. You know, you're taking the transcript. AI analyzes that transcript, identifies key points of note, updates your contact in your CRM, even if that's like Monday.com or Salesforce or whatever you use, and then takes that data and sends it to like your email campaign tool, as well as sending out a Google review request and then sending the data to that thank you card generator.